Hello students, today we are discussing about pulsus paradoxus. Pulsus paradoxus is when the blood pressure it drops unusually during phase of inspiration and pulse gets feeble during expiration. Although it is a normal physiological response that the blood pressure it falls during inspiration and the pulse it also gets feeble during inspiration. The reason of this is you know that venous return is increased to the right heart in inspiration because inferior vena cava is in abdomen which goes inwards during inspiration while chest it moves forward, chest cage moves forward, so a negative pressure is created in the chest while a positive pressure is created in the abdomen. So the veins they are squeezed, hence increasing the venous return to the right heart. But on the other hand, if we see the left heart, there is no connection with any abdominal vessel of the left heart. And the pulmonary veins, which are opening in left atrium, they are in the chest cage. And we know that during inspiration, in the chest cage, there is a negative pressure. So output of the left heart, it decreases during inspiration and right heart output, it increases. So blood pressure, since it depends upon the output of the left heart, which is decreasing in inspiration, so BP normally falls during inspiration and pulse it gets weaker during inspiration. In pulsus paradoxus, this normal physiological response is exaggerated, and the normal fall in the blood pressure during inspiration, if it is 8 to 10 millimeter of mercury, in pulsus paradoxus there is exaggerated fall of 20 millimeter of mercury or more than that. So here you can see the picture of the heart. Left heart is pink in color, and the two pulmonary veins they are opening into the left atrium, while the right heart is blue in color, and we can see that inferior vena cava from below, from abdomen, and superior vena cava from above, they are emptying into the right heart. So the right heart is connected with abdominal vessels, and since abdomen it goes inward producing positive pressure, the venous return of the right heart and hence the cardiac output of the right heart is increased and cardiac output of the left heart is decreased during inspiration. Now, in what conditions we can come across pulsus paradoxus? There is a condition which is called cardiac tamponade. In the cardiac tamponade, what happens that the pericardium, which is a membrane which surrounds heart, it is filled with blood. And when it is filled with the blood, it encases the heart as a solid shell. So what happens that the output of the left heart is further decreased, and when it is decreased we get more fall of the blood pressure, that is 20 millimeter of the mercury. Thank you very much.